After busting a Pakistan-backed terror module, according to the agencies, a crucial high-level security meeting today is taking place of the ATS chief, the SOG and intelligence agencies of 11 states that is underway at Delhi Police Headquarters in central Delhi. Purpose of the meeting would be to share better coordination with the ATS officers of the states and receiving intelligence inputs at the earliest. Sources have maintained the terror threat after the Taliban takeover in Afghanistan and what will be the change in terror activities in India is also going to be discussed. The meeting is being seen as a joint effort from the agencies to foil terror activities that will be hovering around India in the festive season, especially with regard to elections in Uttar Pradesh. So as of now, there's a meeting that is taking place of, remember, very senior officials that include the anti-terror squad chief, the SOG and intelligence agencies as well. Let's go across to Kamaljeet Sandhu for all the latest. Kamaljeet, so of course, all the agencies and senior officers there. What precisely is going to be on agenda? Is the Pakistan module a backdrop of it, or is it completely a different matter of the discussion that's taking place?
Pooja, this was a pre-scheduled meeting, and Delhi being the central and also the national capital and UT, there are obviously coordinations and synergy which is required at a national level. So this has been an initiative which has been taken by Delhi Police, and Rakesh Asthana, as the Chief Police Chief, is going to be chairing that particular meeting along with 12 STF as well as ATS and SOG teams. So this is in very specifics because anti-terror front is something that India is looking at. Now we've seen in the past 6-7 years, they've really averted any sort of major attack happening in hinterland. But there has to be no sense of complacency. So we've seen modules being busted across the country. The recent one being the ISI module, which has ramifications as far as Uttar Pradesh is concerned, Maharashtra is concerned. So many are obviously also talking about how there has to be a greater coordination between the police forces as well. So this will overall look at not only newer technology, the dark web, new sort of recruitment. Pakistan is always trying to fish in troubled waters. So that is where they're looking at fresh recruitment. We've seen several ISIS modules being busted either by NI or other terror agency fronts. So that is where counter-terror is a major strategy, and this is one shot in the arm when there is a greater coordination between different anti-terror fronts.
Thank you so much, Kamaljeet Sandhu, with all the latest. So a high-level security meeting currently underway with the ATS chief, SOG, intelligence agencies of 11 states that are currently in that meeting. But remember, why is this Pakistan terror module so highlight of the day? Because there's an undeniable proof now that there was ISI involvement in a terror plot that the Delhi Police Special Cell says they have busted in coordination with Uttar Pradesh ATS. India today has now learnt that two individuals who are suspects for now, Zishan and Osama, were trained in Pakistan back in April. They were trained for apparently to blow up the railway tracks, making explosives, the IEDs, and even use assault rifles. Sources are telling India today that one Pakistan ISI colonel rank officer by the name of, it's a code name, Ghazi, contacted the suspected terrorist Osama's father. The father was contacted at a madrasa school in Dubai, convinced him to send his son and other young men to Pakistan for training.
A plot to attack Ram Leela and Navratra celebrations. Festivities and poll season on target. A terror plot directly hatched by Pakistani spy agency ISI. Shocking facts are emerging in the Pakistan terror module bust, exposing Islamabad's direct mentoring of the arrested terrorist and their module. Probe has revealed that accused Zishan and Osama had received terror training in Pakistan, in a farmhouse in Gwadar Port, honing their skills by blowing up rail tracks, bridges in Pakistan, making IEDs and using sophisticated weapons like AK-47. Sources say a Pakistan ISI colonel rank officer, Ghazi, had contacted suspected terrorist Osama's father, Usaidur Rahman, and convinced him to send his son to Pakistan. The ISI mentor also asked Usaidur to help him with more terror recruits, prompting Zishan's father to contact his Prayagraj-based brother Humaydur Rahman, who sent Zishan to Pakistan. Probe agencies have found proof that both Osama's father and uncle were directly helping ISI. The link surfaced via mobile chats between Osama and his father.
Starting off with Osama, he is in the custody of the Delhi police. He was trained for terror strikes in India, underwent training in Pakistan. He travelled from Lucknow to Muscat and then to Pakistan for training. Now, his father is Osaidur Rahman. He runs a madrasa in Dubai and has direct links with the Pakistan ISI. The information that the Delhi Police Special Cell has is that a Pakistan ISI colonel-ranked officer had called Osaidur, asked him to send personnel for training, which is why he sent his son Osama. And it's not just Osama's father, but his uncle also, Humaydur Rahman, who is also involved in actively sending youth to be radicalized and to be trained in Pakistan.
The centre said it is aware of the continuing Pakistani terror challenge.
ये सरकार एक सक्षम सरकार है। इस सरकार में इस तरह की कोई भी घटना, कोई भी गतिविधि हो, हम निश्चित रूप से उसको ठीक करने में पूरी तरह से कामयाब होंगे। देश पूरी तरह से सुरक्षित और शांत है, ये हमारी प्रतिबद्धता है।
Congress said that the centre can't afford to let its guard down and promised it all help.
देखिए, आतंकवाद पे कांग्रेस पूरी तरह से आतंकवादियों के खिलाफ है। आतंकवाद को खात्मा करने के पक्ष में जो काम पुलिस और सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेज कर रही है, कांग्रेस पार्टी पूरी तरह से उनके साथ है। आतंकियों के खिलाफ जो है जबरदस्त कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए, मारा जाना चाहिए। कांग्रेस सरकारें जब रही हैं, हमेशा उन्होंने आतंकवाद से लड़ाई की, आतंकवाद को खत्म किया।
After surge of its puppet Taliban in Afghanistan, Pakistan continues to try to open the floodgates of terror in India. Does the country have an effective plan to counter it? Bureau Report, India Today.
In other